Hey guys, welcome back to Tips and Tricks with Vinegar-Based Productions. Today, we're talking about grabbing the attention of your audience right out of the gate. It will make or break your next video. Today I'm going to be talking about the hook. It is mandatory that you grab the attention of your viewers within the first 15 seconds to really make it an impactful start to your video. You want to find something that relates to them or simply entertains them. Whether you appeal to their emotions or supply relevant content information, this is something that your audience is going to gravitate towards. And once you have their attention, you want to be able to continue that throughout your video. So really your attention grabber, that hook, sets up the video for success. Another key point in the first 15 seconds of your video is that you're making a promise to the viewer that the rest of the video is going to be as entertaining as the first 15 seconds. So if you draw them in right out of the gate, you're promising that the rest of the video is worth watching. It's not always about entertainment. It's about knowing your demographic and speaking to them in a way that is relatable and has value. If you're finding these videos helpful, then click the subscribe button and follow us. This way you'll get notified when we come out with our next video, where I'll be talking about keeping your videos short to retain your audience.